Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your previous live streams on TikTok, even if it's been a few days since you went live. Whether you want to review your content or download the recording, I'll show you exactly where to find it. And make sure to stick around, because I'll also share how long TikTok saves your live streams and how to keep a copy forever. Let's start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From here, tap on TikTok Studio. No matter if you have a personal or business account, you should see this option. Now under the Analytics section, tap View All. Next, select Live at the top. It's going to open the Live Center. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Inside the Live Center, scroll down until you find the option called Live Recordings. This is where TikTok stores your past live streams. If you've recently gone live, you'll see them listed here. TikTok automatically saves your live recordings for 30 days, giving you time to rewatch, analyze, or even download them to your device. Just tap on any listed live and you'll have the option to download it to your gallery, whether you're using iPhone or Android. If you don't see any recordings, it's likely because you haven't hosted a live recently. But once you do, just return to live recordings and they'll appear here for 30 days after the live ends. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Catch you in the next one.